Here is the full process for a machine being initialized. This is first boots and all boots after that. Powering on now. This is just an old laptop of mine that I've added to the cluster. So it first powers on. It goes to boot via PXE. The DHCP server issues the public address for one of my other servers. It then connects to that and downloads the Tinkerbell IPXE binary. And then Tinkerbell issues the Talos image command, it issues the server or laptop or whatever in this case, to download the latest file from the Talos release server that is handled by Crossplane with a thing that I built myself. Now time to just watch this boot. Right now it is downloading the IntsRAM FS. This could go faster with a better network. I powered this device off a couple hours ago because I came into my room. It was vibrating or shaking violently, and I suspect that what I believed to be an SSD may be a SATA hard drive, and that it is in the process of dying. But we shall see. I haven't heard it again, but we will see. At the very least, this gives a good demonstration of the bare metal provisioning system and how it handles boot ups. And you could have this running off of a local cache. I just prefer to fetch the image directly from Talos. And this can be configured to issue any server ISO and handle installation completely hands-off. That is the joy of this system. I've made it so that the entire process of bringing a new server online can be handled without the person plugging it in and turning it on knowing anything about what's going on. All you need is the MAC address and some free network space on the network that it is attached to. 60% almost. There we go. It's almost done. I am very sorry this is taking so long. This image does include the NVIDIA drivers, as well as Intel U-code and a couple of other system extensions. That is factored into the cluster node configuration that is issued on the central command server. And that is taken into account when providing the image for the IPXE client to load from the network. Now it has finished loading, and now it's going to boot into Talos Linux. This will take another couple of minutes, but the longest part is done now. And now Talos has booted up. It is going to rejoin the local cluster. This machine only has 16 gigs of RAM. I still need to take it apart and figure out if the RAM is replaceable. I think it is, but it has been a very long time since I actively worked on this laptop. There we go. Network has come up. The network configuration of the end servers is configured statically. And there we go. It is running Kubernetes successfully. Well, the API server and controller manager will be up within the next couple of minutes. And there is that terrifying sound.